curious about what is going on right now in Amin Estate Phase 2, in this video series, I'm going to be taking us on a drive tour on Amin Estate Phase 2. I'm going to be showing you what is currently going on and what Amin Estate Phase 2 currently looks like in 2023, the current prices of properties and the properties available. So stay tuned and follow this channel, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification as well, so that whenever I post videos about Amin Estate and all the properties in Lagos, you'll be among the first few persons to see. So let's go on a tour and see what Amin Estate Phase 2 currently looks like in 2023. This is a video of Amin Estate Phase 1, and this is what to expect from Amin Estate Phase 2. So if you're that person who loves space, you love nature, you love peace, you love tranquility, and you just love quietness, then Amin Estate Phase 2 is a property, is an estate for you. So currently there are duplexes and there are apartment and commercial plots still selling. So avail yourself and take advantage before a price increase.